Hi guys, and welcome back to Art Shop Channel. Okay guys, we're going to make another fake donut topper. Now, without further ado, let me show you what we are going to do. Now, I'm going to make this. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to keep to this design as much as we can, and we're going to use some fake cream, and I'm going to put that all around the edge and then pop these bits and pieces back on the top. Okay, so let's do that. Now, before I do carry on, I just need to explain to you how I made these hearts. Now, these hearts are made out of polymer clay. Now, in real life, they would be made out of fondant icing, and normally with fondant icing, you use one of these, which is a little cutter. So you can use the same principle regarding polymer clay. So you roll out your polymer clay into a flat, and then you use your cutter and you just pop it down, and then you pop out your particular heart that you've made. Okay, and then you bake it to the manufacturer's instruction, and then it'd be all nice and hard like these are. So that's it basically. That's how you make the hearts. Very easy, out of polymer clay, and yeah, that's it. Okay, so let me just show you what we do next, which is we use our fake cream. Now, our fake cream is, if you watch my other tutorials, is made out of this. It's acrylic sealant, okay? So you basically get your acrylic sealant, put it inside there, and fill this up to get your fake sealant cream, okay? And then when you got that, you just give that a squeeze like you would do if you were piping a real cake, and yeah, just do the same thing. So with this one, I thought I would just go around like this. So that's what I'm going to try and do, guys, and then pop these back on like so. So let me see if I can do that. So hopefully you can see all this. So all I'm going to do is just go round like so, and give it a good dollop of cream, okay, and there we go. And I'm just going to try and make that in the best I can, a bit more tricky, but we will cover that up with a heart. Okay, so there you go. So now we've got our fake cream. I'm just shaking it slightly because it's gone over the edge there. And I find if I'm quite quick, I can make it settle that way. Okay, be careful. They're like, don't do that. You're going to touch it. So you don't want to be doing that because you'll wreck your design. Okay, so there you go. So we've got our fake cream on there. So without further ado, let's pop these on. So I'm going to use this particular heart and cover that end up so you wouldn't even know it was there. And because we've got 3 of these, I'm going to go like that. So basically, stick them on like so. Now I've got 5 of these. Now the smaller ones, so I did have some on there, but I'm not going to do that. What I think I will do is randomly place these on the cream like so. Oops, that went round the wrong way, but that's not a problem. I'll put one there, and I've got one more. So where will I put that, guys? Should I put it? Put it there, I think. Okay, and that's it. We're done. Okay, so there you go. So we've got our fake donut, which is air dry clay, with our fake cream, which is acrylic sealant white, with our fake fondant icing, which is really polymer clay cut into the shapes of hearts. Okay, and that's it, guys. Easy as that. So you've got another fake topper there, and doesn't that look scrummy? Absolutely marvellous. Okay, so you just let that dry for a few days. Don't touch it or anything like that. Put it to one side in a quiet area somewhere where it's not going to get knocked. And a couple of days, you can have a look at it and you'll be amazed. You'll think, oh my God, that's good enough to eat, which it is. Okay, so guys, hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. Like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now.